Have you ever thought about investing in the stock market but felt it's just too confusing or risky? What if I told you that yes, even you can start investing today with just a few simple steps? Let me show you how to turn your fears into confidence and start growing your money. Hi everyone! Welcome to your channel name, where we make money and investing simple for beginners. If you've been curious about the stock market but don't know where to start, this video is for you. I'll walk you through the basics of the stock market, step by step, in plain language. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident enough to take your first steps toward investing. Make sure you stick around because I'll also share a common beginner mistake that you absolutely need to avoid. Let's get started. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell shares of companies. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small piece of that company. If the company grows and makes money, the value of your stock goes up and so does your wealth. Think of it like owning a slice of a pizza shop. If the shop becomes more popular and earns more money, the value of your slice increases. Here are 3 reasons why investing in the stock market is a smart move. Grow your wealth. Historically, the stock market has provided higher returns than savings accounts or bonds. Beat inflation. Your money loses value over time due to inflation. Investing helps your money grow faster than inflation. Achieve financial goals. Whether it's retirement, buying a house, or traveling the world, investing can help you reach those dreams. Now, let's get into the easy steps to start investing. Create a budget. Only invest money you won't need immediately. Make sure you've paid off high-interest debt and have an emergency fund first. Open a brokerage account. This is where you'll buy and sell stocks. Platforms like Robinhood, Fidelity, or Vanguard make it easy for beginners. Start small. Don't feel pressured to invest a lot right away. Even $51.00 a month is a great start. Choose your first investments. Start with index funds or ETFs. These are groups of stocks that track the market, like the S&P 500. They're less risky and perfect for beginners. Consider blue chip stocks. Big, stable companies like Apple or Coca-Cola are good for first-time investors. Think long-term. The stock market will have ups and downs, but patience pays off. Stay invested for the long haul. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your money in one stock or industry. Spread it across different sectors to reduce risk. And there you have it, stock market basics for beginners in simple, actionable steps. Remember, the key to success is starting early, staying consistent, and thinking long-term. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to your channel name for more content like this. Comment below with your biggest question about investing, and I'll be happy to answer it. See you in the next video.